Okay, hi, I'm Chris Lewis. I'm a dairy farm consultant, but I'm also the designer and part owner of a computer program called Pasture Coach. And Pasture Coach in the last 18 months has been under pressure. People have requested for a mobile app to be developed, and we thought, well, it's a really good idea. It took us into a new space, and we're there now. So we have a mobile application for Pasture Coach, which goes onto your smart device. Having the mobile app on your phone gives you the ability to get out into the paddocks, enter the pasture covers for each paddock as you go. So I'll do the rising plate, I'll come up with a pasture cover, enter it into the phone. It immediately gives you a pasture growth rate for that paddock. When you've actually done that for every paddock and you've actually completed your farm walk, a couple of presses of a button and you immediately have the average cover for your farm, the average pasture growth rate for your farm, and further to that you even actually have a feed wedge for the farm as well. So all of that is done before you've even actually got out of the last paddock. You can synchronize that information. It goes up into the cloud, and from there anybody who has access to your data immediately can see that pasture cover walk. So you can have a farm owner who's got a farm manager, he does the pasture cover walk, synchronizes when he's finished, and the farm owner, who could also be using a mobile device and connecting, could immediately see what the farm looks like. So they could be literally anywhere in the world and they can see what the pasture cover is on the farm. We have two tools that are on the mobile app for Pasture Coach. We think it's actually important for people who are out in the paddock to be able to make management decisions on the go. So these two tools are the rotation planner. You need to get your rotation speed in sync with the amount of grass that you're offering and the amount of grass that you're growing. So by using the rotation planner, you can literally be out on the farm making decisions as to what is the right speed for the cows to be moving around. There's also a brake calculator, very helpful in the winter time when you're walking into a paddock and you want to know how many brakes to set up and what the dimensions of that brake might be. That tool is just sitting on your phone. You can immediately work these out quite accurately so that you're efficiently feeding your animals. In order to download the mobile app, you can go through either Android and go to Google Play, or go to the App Store for an Apple application. So it works on both Android and it works on Apple as well. There's no cost to the app itself, so you can download it for free, and there are immediately the tools and a couple of parts of the application which can be used straight away. Yeah, in order to be able to use the mobile app, you've first got to have Pasture Coach working for you in the cloud. So you need to go to pasturecoachnz.co.nz, download the software onto a PC, set your farm up, and then the information can be synchronized through the cloud onto your mobile app. It's important that you do it that way round. Yeah, we've tested it with a number of farmers over the last 6 months, and they've actually appreciated being able to make decisions, enter information while they're on the go. So we've been, in fact, very much encouraged while we've gone through the testing program, and this is all very new. It's only just being released into the market now, but we're quite confident that it's going to deliver what people have been asking us for.